Hi, this is TLC, and I am just sitting down to quickly light a candle and connect in with some stuff that's been going on the inside. And I figured it might be helpful if I share that a little bit with you. So I have a struggle with feeling like an imposter. Not sure if anyone else feels that way, but yeah. So this is actually a failed art process that I tried. I was trying to do a screen print or whatever from a print from my printer, and it just, the image I used, everything just didn't work out, and it was a complete and total failure. Now, this was the last empty page in my sketchbook, so gotta make the most of it. So I figured what might be nice today is to take this failure of mine and energetically work through some of my feelings about imposter syndrome, about mistakes, about messes, about things like that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to doodle a second. So I want to really just let go of caring about the mark I'm making, because the mark I'm making is already screwed. So it doesn't matter what else I add to it, right? For me, these types of scribbles are just really calming. They kind of allow me to space out, but also connect with my body, if that makes any sense. For you, it could look anything, maybe you do figure eights. Ooh. And the more I make these scribbles, this sort of thing right here, it just really connects me with, this kind of feels like my brain sometimes, especially around feeling like an imposter, ruminating on things. And so I might, in this space, while I'm just doodling back and forth, what are some of the thoughts, that come up with reflecting on my own imposter syndrome. Ooh. Okay. Fake. Sure. I'm just whatever's coming out of my brain right now. Scared. And if I spell something wrong, maybe it's a reason I almost spelled this, sacred. Interesting. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep thinking, scribbling, and, yeah. Okay, just breathe. I'm gonna breathe. If any of our other thoughts come up while we're breathing. Intuitively, I just started making a big circle while I'm breathing. Breathe in. Okay. Interesting. Now we've got this figure eight. We've got a circle. I didn't go into this process thinking about anything. I'm just letting whatever happens, whatever comes to me, be. So, next, I think it might be nice to just make a mess on this. To just take some paint to it. Take maybe some paint marker. I've got paint marker near me. Whatever you Whatever you've come to the table with, maybe we just start making a mess on it. Maybe we just start making different colors of messes. This is not something we're thinking about making look good. Making look like it's for anybody but ourselves. I intuitively fall to drawing lots of circles and spirals, but maybe you intuitively start drawing boxes, and that's something that you connect with, or triangles, or maybe you're still in like tiny sloppy scribbles, or I don't know, maybe it's starting to form different shapes. So one thing I'm noticing about this right now, if I just interpret what's coming out on the page in this mess, is we've got two fields here, you know, one that's incredibly clouded, one that's kind of stuck, very boxed in internally, and then this other that's like very expansive and colorful and playful. So right now, I'm just gonna let this be. I'm gonna come back to it later on because I love the idea of just like sitting with these mini processes, sitting in the mess for a minute, coming back to it and like reflecting on what initially came to me when I first sat down with it and what I was feeling, and see if any aha moments come up. And then later on, maybe I will paint over top of it, or collage on top of it, or any number of things. So if this sounds like something that you benefited from, I invite you to click the link in the description and join my email list for more art processes and access to exclusive classes and art offerings. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.